We just earned 18,000 pesos in just 30 days without doing anything sa XM Copy Trading. Hi guys, my name is Ador Flores. I make videos about money and welcome back to another XM video. Hi po, update po dito sa copy trade nyo. So what happened was that nag-break muna tayo. That's why it has been months since I uploaded an XM copy trading video. But I do still update it frequently sa Telegram group ko. Now, for those of you who don't know what XM copy trading is basically instead of you doing the trading, you copy someone else. For example, instead of you doing the buying, selling, research, malugi, kumita, you let someone else do it for you. So for example, you choose someone as a trader. So this one is the one you are copying. When he buys, let's say, Bitcoin, your account will follow. Once he sells the Bitcoin for you to profit, your account will also follow. So whatever this account will do, your account will also follow. Kung kikita si trader, kikita ka din. But of course, if malugi si trader, malugi ka din. Now, if you want to know how to create an XM account for copy trading, this is the video to look at. For this video naman, this is an update. So I started to copy trade once again last July 30, 2025. And today, it is August 31. So 30 days or 31 days later, 18,000 pesos ang kinita ko. So from July 30 to August 30, 18,384 pesos or $321 ang kinita ko. Not bad, right? Since wala akong ginawa dito. Once again, I am not the one who's doing the research, buying and selling. All those monitoring, hindi ako gumawa nun. My trader is doing it for me. So yes, wala akong ginawa, but kumita ko. 4 times straight na po ako nanalo sa aking pinag-copy trade. So what changed? What did I change? Bakit ako kumita ng ganito? Number 1, new trader po yung kinapi ko. So of course, I also experienced losses with other traders, but this time with my new trader, I'm actually profiting. But of course, I am still taking calculated risks so that hindi naman tayo ma-zero or malugi. So this is my new strategy. New but risky strategy. So I simply invest $50 or 2,500 pesos per copy trade. And hindi po ako maglagay ng stop loss dito. So it's either kikita ako ng times 2 or yung $50 ko ay ma-zero. That's what I am doing. New strategy, but again, it is risky. Warning, I am not telling you that you should do that as well. Again, this is my strategy. You can also have yours as well. By the way, the name of my trader is Start RD. This is him or her. He's a really good trader and kumita ako ng marami na sa kanya. So yeah, for 18,000 pesos in 30 days, that's very good. Imagine that you are also working, you also have your business, you also have your other investments, and then kumita ka din ng 18,000 pesos dito. So, not bad, right? If you want to create an XM account and join my Telegram group, here is the link in my bio. If you are watching this on Facebook or YouTube, just simply go to the link in my bio and then you can see there, create XM account or join Telegram group. And that is it for our video. I hope kumita din kayo doon sa XM copy trading. Please let me know kumusta na yung copy trades nyo in the comment section. And by the way, shout out to Moneymake for my clothing. Diba? Pretty sick trip, don't snitch. And then meron din tayong peso signs sa mata niya. Pretty sick trip. And of course, I have to thank you as well for the 13,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Ang bilis natin, no? So thank you once again and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment section. Remember to make every peso count. See you on the next one.